These are Plaintiff frames. We will be showing you how to remove and install them. First step of removal is to turn the frames upside down. Next, you must unscrew one of the screws by turning the screwdriver counterclockwise. You only have to loosen the screw. You do not need to take out the screw completely. Once the screw is loosened, you are now able to fully take out the lens. The whole lens should pop out very easily. Next, to install, you must put in the lens completely so that all edges of the lens are fully inside the grooves. No part of the lens should be outside of a groove. Once the lens is in the groove, or the frames, you now screw the screw by turning the screwdriver clockwise so to tighten the screw. Move the lens back and forth to see if it is securely fastened. If not securely fastened, tighten the screw some more. Once again, you must test to see if the lenses are securely fastened. Your installation is now complete.